Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make achiote paste. This is an ingredient commonly used in both Mexican and Caribbean cuisine, and it's a wonderful base to add flavor to marinades, soups, stews, you name it. The base of this paste is annatto seeds, so that's what we're going to start with in our food processor, as well as coriander, oregano, cumin seeds, peppercorns, and cloves. You'll notice we're starting with just our dry whole spices here. We just want to get them finely ground before we add any of the wet ingredients. Now you could totally do this step in a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder, but I just like to do it all in the food processor because it results in less dirty dishes. So once this has processed enough so that it looks kind of like this, like a fine-ish ground spice mix, we can go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. So to that, we're adding our salt, whole garlic cloves, freshly juiced orange juice, and lime juice, as well as some white vinegar. From there, we're going to cover our food processor again and just blend this all up until a consistent paste is formed. Now, depending on how wet you want your achiote paste to be, you can add less or more of those wet ingredients, but I like it to be a little bit wet. It does firm up in the fridge. So it should look a little something like this. That rich, beautiful red color is from those annatto seeds. And then your paste is done. You can store this in the refrigerator or in the freezer, and stay tuned for ideas on how to use it.